Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Canva website with GoDaddy domain. This tutorial will be simple and quick. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you will be done with your website and set up all of the pages you want and so on and so forth, you want to go ahead and click on Publish Website. After that, you will have your website URL, which you want to go ahead and change, and click Get a New Domain. So once you will click Get a New Domain, you want to choose an option Bring Your Own Domain, connect your domain from the third party. And for this, you need to have a Canva Pro. Now you're going to click Continue. And now you need to go ahead and enter your domain name. So I'm just going to go to my GoDaddy and copy my domain name. Enter it here, continue. Now, after that, we need to review some steps how to connect our domain. So as you can see, you need to add a record to link your domain to Canva. So you want to go ahead and copy your name and value points. So go ahead to GoDaddy, click on Manage DNS. After that, you want to go ahead and add a new record. Just make sure that the name servers are GoDaddy's and not some other domain registration company, because otherwise you will not be able to add a new record. Now, once you will choose a record, you're going to choose a type, enter the name, and the value would be this one. You're going to copy it and add it, save it. After you've done that, you go back to Canva and click Record Edit. Now you're going to do again, add a record and link your subdomain to Canva. So let's go here, add a new record, a type, www, and the value, and save it. Record added. Now you're going to add a txt record to verify domain ownership. So choose an option txt, enter the domain, and here you need to go ahead and add this one and save it. And that's pretty much it. After you've done that, record added, I've updated my DNS records and use this domain. It may take a little bit of time, but now you will be able to choose it. You can also go ahead and write down your subpath and click Publish Website. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.